Here's a demo of a basic use of the GUI Builder inside of NetBeans. We'll choose Java, Application, choose a name, Test2, put it on the desktop. Make sure that Create Main Class is not checked. So we'll have an empty project, no files in it at all. Then File, New File, Swing GUI Forms. We'll choose JFrame Form. Swing GUI JFrame Form. And call this one Test Frame. So we have a little window here. There's the design view of it, and here's the source of it. We'll start with the design, put a button on it, and if you right click that button, you can change the text, show num, and if you right click again, you can change the variable name. The default was JButton1. We'll call it show num button. Then double click on the button, and that will take us to code that is show num button action performed. And we'll put a little system out print line in here. Show num. Let's see what the result of the program running is. Right click the file, test frame, run it, and there we have show num. And when I click the button down in the output window here, it prints show num. That's the basic use, but we'll do a little bit more. Add another button. Right click, edit text, call this add one. Right click, change variable name, add one button. Double click on it, and now we have add one button action performed. Just put another system out print line in it and test this. Two buttons now, show num and add one. Good. Might be nice to have some output in a text field. Here's a text field. Right click, edit the text. Just put some question marks in it to start with. And right click, change variable name. We'll call it num field. So now inside of show num, if I double click on that, takes me to the code show num. Now I could put something in num field. Say num field dot set text. Testing. So let's see how that goes. Show add one works, and show num puts test in there. It would be nice, of course, to actually put a value for num. So to do that, we'll make private int num. That's our data member for the class. And initialize num to be 123. Then here we'll output num, and in the add one button actually add 1. Num plus plus. Try that. Alright, let's see. Show num shows 123. Still have my output. And add 1, have my output, and it changed it. When I click show num, there's the new value. So we'll add a bunch of makes it 134. Add 1, 135, 136, and so on. Add more GUI components at your leisure. That's it for now.